Whoa. It's the start of it now. Well, good afternoon. Oh my god, I didn't record up to now because I couldn't talk up to now. We were oh my god, yeah, so we took the trailhead on the way up to Lake Musgrave and veered off right up to Greenan, where we are right now, and we're making our way over to a place that I wanted to camp for a long time, and that's O'Loughlin's Castle. So I can't wait. But I'm with my mate Craig. I haven't been out with him in a while. But yeah, we're gonna find a nice spot up here. I can't get over how calm it is. I have never, ever, ever, ever been up in a mountain this calm, ever. Like, there isn't a puff of air. Yeah, right, let's go and get set up. It's 5:30, so the sunset is at 6:15. Okay, let's keep going. The lens might look a bit odd. I have my max lens mod on at the moment, so I might look a bit warped. So I'll change that out when we stop. But yeah, we're very nearly there. It's just right over there. So yeah, seen a lot of sluggras up here. A lot of them. So you gotta be so bloody careful when you're up here with the old sluggras. O'Loughlin's Castle. Wow, I love it. So, getting a camping spot now. Craig, looks fairly flat over there, look. Do you have spots here? Oh my god. Could we tuck in right here? That was the quickest spot finding ever. So hopefully we'll fit 2 tents here. We should. We should. Alright, bags off, let's get going. Jesus. Oh, fed and watered. It's absolutely freezing up here. It really is. I have all the gear on, like, so no worries at all. I'm so glad I brought my beast, my hat. I'm loving it. It's keeping me so warm. So what we're doing is we brought up a fire log each, and what we're going to do is just get some bits of stone, and we're going to put the fire logs on top of it, because I don't want to scorch the ground, because yeah, I've like, leave no trace. I hate leaving any trace that we're here, like even leaving a fire pit or anything. So at least the fire logs on top of the stone, we'll be able to put the stones back then, in a way you'll never know anything. But anyway, let's get at it. It's an embarrassing Guinness pour. Gorgeous night so far. Nice Guinness, bit of fire, bit of chat. What else will you be doing this Saturday night? Cheers, everyone. Oh, what a lovely night. It is freezing. It is so cold, and it's pure dry cold as well. So I'm getting the last of this fire here. Craig's retired, he's gone off to bed. I'm just finishing off this Guinness, and I'll be I was just going to say I'll be joining him soon. Not in his bed, obviously. Anyway, we'll say good night for tonight, and we're going to get up. Not sure what kind of a sunrise we're going to get, but we'll get up anyway. Have a nice breakfast, and sure, look. Loving it. Absolutely loving it. Okay, we'll see you in the morning. Night, night. Good morning from standing on the top of O'Loughlin's castle. Yeah. Oh, not much of a sunrise, I don't think. You see snow on top of Galtymore, right? By God, it's freezing. A bit of a stiff breeze there as well. I thought we'd get some kind of a hazy sunrise, but it's due to come up any minute, so hopefully. If not, I can't wait for a cup of tea. Cup of tea and some porridge. Thing is, it's so dry, there's actually no water around. So I'm actually going to go look for some water now and just see. It'd be nice to be able to have 1 or 2 or 3 cups of tea, being honest. Because at the moment I just have enough, I'd say. But let's go looking. Hope we find some water now. I have enough to get me through, but I just wouldn't mind a bit more. There's some here, but it's frozen. My water's frozen. So it's my first time bringing out my new alcohol stove that I was kindly sent by GOSHAWK in Melbourne, Australia. They sent me 2, so they sent me this one is the first one I have out. It's called the GOSHAWK Rapid Burner. Christ, it's incredible. I love the, you know me with my stoves now, but I love the kind of the flame vortex that it creates when it's winding up, and you can hear the flames bubbling in the inside when it's on. But how fast it boils up water is unbelievable. So I'll be doing a good review on this, but I want to take it out and use it a few times. But yeah, this is the GOSHAWK Rapid Boiler. It's yeah, there's a lot of design gone into this. Anyway, let's make breakfast with it. Some icy water this morning. The fold out wind blockers that you have I made a smaller one out of it. Like, for the sake of, you can buy one of them and get just 10 fold-outs. You can create 2 smaller ones out of that. And that's exactly what I did here. And I cut one of the doors down, so if you had a cup with a handle, the handle can come out. So yeah, it's one of my days in the garage. Now, nearly back at the car. Oh, that was absolutely incredible. The sun pull up to O'Loughlin's Castle. My God, what a leg burner. Good for the fitness though. The one thing I love about these, the Osprey bag, is you have a stow and the go system. See it? You can stow away your hiking poles very easy, and you don't have to get off and put them in the back of your bag. So the stow and the go system is called. So happy days. Right, it's early enough. It's only 10:30. We're nearly back at the car. We got no sunrise, but look, it is what it is. Alright, sure, look, thanks very much for joining me, and hit the subscribe button, and please hit the likes. I don't know, it really does help, I suppose, the YouTube algorithm. So please just hit those likes. And yeah, anyway, I'll talk to you in the next one. Stay safe out there. Bye.